All right. So let's go on to lesson 2, which happens to be about addition and subtraction patterns. It's a quick lesson. Let's look at this first homework problem. We just need to identify and complete a number pattern. So it's a bigger number. First one is 12,345.
Mr. H?
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt. Could you magnify that, blow it up just a little bit for Kelsey and Mila back here? Kelsey, can you read that? Huh? Yeah, okay.
That's better?
Thank you.
Okay.
I know it makes it harder for you to stay where you don't see as much of it.
Yeah, that's okay. All right. So 12,345, 13,345, blank, 15,345, 16,345, Mason. 14,000. So what did they do with each number? Can you put that into words? They increased.
They increased the thousand and.
You're right. They increased 1,000 by how much?
By what?
By 1,000, right? Good job. All right. And they just kind of lay that out for us. So look, they went to the 1,000 spot. 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000 plus 1,000. That's a hard one to start with. All right, number 1 in the practice. We'll do the first 2 together, and then I'll have you work with groups to number 6. So the first one, 100 less than 877. Austin. So we go to the 100 spot, and we take off 100, right? 777. Okay, who can read us number 2? Nico? Number 2 on page 71. Can you say a little bit louder? All right, so we need to do some addition, yeah? All right, so 10,000 more than 6,310. So how do you go about this, Nico? Add 10,000 to 6,310. 16,310, right? All right, so there we go. All right, so we'll give you guys 2 minutes to work through 3, 4, 5, and 6 practice. Raise your hand if you've done it already. Everybody's done it? Okay. We're on page 71 at the bottom, number 3. Well, you just came in. All right, number 3. We'll just go through them real quick. You guys can double check your answers. 10 more than 1,146. Mackenzie. I'm sorry, Mikhail. I can't hear over your talking. Go ahead. Add the 10. Okay, so we added 10 to the tens place. 1,000. 156. Thank you. All right, number 4. 1,000 less than 9,052. Can you walk us through?
8,052.
So we go to the thousands place, right?
Yep.
And we take away 1,000, right? So that gets us to 8,052. Is that correct? All right. Number 5, 1,000 more than 37,542. Hillary.
So just 1,000 more for 37,000. So that's 38,542.
So we find the thousands place and we add 1,000 to that spot. So 38,542. Number 6. Tristan.
2,700.
Can you read us the
10
question?
less than 2,727.
All right, so ones place.
2,717.
So you took away 10 from the tens place, right? 2,717. All right, you guys are on it. Let's keep moving. Page 72. So a slightly different way to solve this. We need to complete each number sentence. Number 7, starting with 1,100 plus blank equals 1,200. Austin. You added 2?
No, 100.
You added 100. So let's do that right here. Add 100. 0, 0, 2, 1,200. That's got us there exactly. So 1,100 plus 100 equals 1,200. Number 8. Who? Raise your hand if you've worked ahead and done these number sentences. All right, so we're gonna keep working together. Michaela, can you do number 8 for us? 40,000.
40,619 minus blank equals 39,639.
Okay, so we need to find out what blank is. What's the difference between 40,619 and 39,619, Michaela? 10,000? Let's see. I think maybe not 10,000 because that would be, that's a tricky one. But I think that it's only 1,000 different. So let's put,
1,000 there.
what if we put the 40 on top?
0.
0,
0.
0,
0.
0.
9.
So this would be a 10 though, right? Have to carry down. This would be a 1 and a 0. So the difference is only 1,000 difference.
Wait.
Okay?
Bottom one's 10.
Okay, number 9, 63,088 minus blank equals 53,088. What are we looking for, Austin?
10.
So you're thinking 10, just 10?
Oh, number 9.
Number 9, yeah.
10,000.
10,000 different, right? So we go to the 10,000ths place. You can see that that's the difference.
Okay.
So 10,000. All right, number 10. 4,514 plus blank equals 4,524. So we're looking for the difference. All right. Caitlin? Just 10, right? We can see that this number in the tens place is different than this number in the tens place. Only 10 difference, right? So the number here is 10. All right, number 11, we're switching gears. We're looking to complete each pattern. I'm going to switch up. I'm going to come over here. I'll write the numbers out, and maybe we can have someone, have you guys get up a little bit and come to the board.
Mr. H, can I interrupt for a second?
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm like helping some people in the back, and I've helped Toby a little bit. And I think what might be helpful, and I didn't see this before, is maybe we need to go back to place values. Yeah, because if you know what place value you're changing, it's really easy. So take a moment to ask yourself, what place value are we talking about? So, for example, number 9, we were at the 10,000s, right? That's the place value that we're worried about, because we went from 63,000 to 53,000. So you got to look at just the 63 and the 53. The difference between 63 and 53 is 10, right? But we're dealing with thousands, 10,000. So you have to add the 3 zeros. So on this one here, complete the pattern that Mr. H is getting ready to do. You've got 7,213, and now we got 7,413. What number changes? Does the thousands change? No. Does the hundreds change?
No.
Yes. I heard a no. No, look. Hundreds. 200, 400, 500. So we're just looking at the hundreds. Everything else kind of stay the same. So when you go from 213 to 413, what did they skip? Haley.
7.
Whoops.
7,313.
Yes. 313. It went 200, 300, 400, 500. So find the pattern like Mr. H is showing you, but also pay attention to what place value are you in. Sorry, Mr. H.
No, that's good. Thank you. We can emphasize the place value a little bit. Okay. So number 12. Did you guys get number 11?
Yeah.
Okay, so number 12. Hillary, read me the next number.
52,877.
Okay, and then they're looking for the last one.
The last
All right. So we need to find which number and which place value is different. So the ones all the same. The tens are all the same. The hundreds, 8s, all the same. The thousands, or the thousands place, all the same. So it looks like, Caitlin?
662,800.
Right, so the 10,000, the number in the 10,000 place is changing, right? So 3, 4. So this is what? 877. So it's going up by 10,000 each time. All right, number 13. Good job, Caitlin. Number 13. Tristan, can you read me number 13?
967.
967.
dash 957
957
dash
oh, that's
blank
blank, so we're looking for that one.
937.
937. All right. You know it? Okay.
947.
947. So which place is changing?
The full
The ones, the tens,
Tens.
or the hundreds?
10.
The tens place is changing. By how much each time?
1.
So one digit, but in the big picture it's 10, right? So 967, 957, blank. So what would this be?
947.
47, good. 937. So it's decreasing or getting smaller by 10 each time, right? All right, great job. All right, okay, so we have a word, oh no we don't. Number 14. We need to do number 14, right?
Can I do?
You want to talk us through it?
No, can I do the whole problem on the board?
You want to come up and do it on the board? Sure. I'll read it. All right, number 14. Let's help Tristan get us through, Mikhail. Andon, be sure to write down number 14. Okay, the first number is 3,222. You write it a little bit bigger. Okay. 3,222
Dash.
blank, so commas here. Okay, and then it's blank. And then what's the next number? The next number is 3,220,
And then the next number.
comma, 3,219.
219.
So we need to figure out what is the pattern here. Which place is changing? Is it the ones, the tens, the hundreds, or the thousands?
The ones.
The ones. So it's decreasing by 1 each time. 3,221. Well done, Kristen. You can just put the marker there. All right. Hey, everybody, let's stand up really quick. Pushing your chairs. We'll do a quick brain break. So this will be a very quick brain break. It's going to be a little different than Mr. Garcia's. I like this one.
I'm sorry.
Oh, we're just doing a quick brain break.
I was talking, let's stand up and do the brain break.
Yeah. So I just wanted, this is one I do for myself when I get kind of sluggish with my brain. What I do is I call them air squats, and I just feel like it gets blood and oxygen up to my brain and helps me think again. So you get your feet about hip width apart, and you're just gonna pretend like you're sitting in your chair and then standing up.
Ow.
We're just gonna do 10 of these.
Squats.
Air squats. 3. Make sure you're breathing. 7 for me. 8.
I've done 10.
9. You can do a couple extra if you need to. All right. That's all we needed. We just needed a quick brain break. Amen. Thank you. Okay. Hey, raise your hand if you would like. Tyler, can you read number 15. Hey, listen up, everyone. Can you do it? Tyler, 1 second. We need to quiet down, guys. We can't hear it. Does everybody hear Tyler? Raise your hand if you can hear Tyler. All right. Can you start over, please? I apologize.
The next week she bought more and had 455 marbles. Circle the correct pattern.
So circle the correct pattern. The first week he had 435. Second week he had 445. Third week 455. So think about which, Tristan?
He's adding 10 more.
Adding 10 more. So we're right here. 10 more.
Because if you
our
notice
pattern.
that the hundreds aren't changing and ones aren't changing, but
Correct.
the tens are.
All right. That's a good one to start with. Number 16. Mackenzie, can you read nice and loud, please?
Vito keeps track of books in a warehouse. Every month, he updates a chart that shows the number of books in stock. For one title, his chart shows 54,350, 44,350, 31,350. If the pattern continues, what number will this chart show next month?
Okay. So we need to figure out the pattern here.
I know it.
Mackenzie, you want to just finish it off for us?
So, for the first number of the beginning of numbers is actually counting down.
So it's decreasing, right? Counting down by how much?
10,000.
10,000. The number in the 10,000th place is decreasing. So each time it's decreasing by 10,000 or 10,000 less. What number? But so they're just asking what number will show next month. So basically, what would be the next number here? Okay.
24,350.
Correct. So he took 10,000 more off this last number. So that's the number we're looking for. 24,350. All right, number 17. Who wants to read us about Angela and how much water she uses? Caitlin.
Angela uses a large pitcher to water her plants. When the pitcher is full, it holds 384 ounces. Angela gives each plant 100 ounces of water. How much water is left in the pitcher after Angela waters his plants?
Okay. So how are you thinking about this when you're starting to set it up?
Since she gives each plant 100 ounces,
Okay.
so she gives 2 plants, it would be 394 minus 200,
Okay.
which is 150.
So 384 minus 200, correct? So this is how we can set this up. And then you just took the difference, right? Yeah.
You gotta pause
Okay.
for recess.
Okay.
Can you guys stand behind your chair? Zach, stay. You ready? Davis. Kids, I'll let you get something. Okay, you eat all day long. You guys can go. UCLA, Stanford. Tulsa. Chico. Okay, please bring them. Yeah, eat some more and drink some more Gatorade too.
I'm good. You're with your dad?
Yeah, I'm with them every week.
All right.
All right, man.
Thank you, Miss Yoshi.
She did it. She just
She's doing great.
yeah. And tomorrow morning,